Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add milestones in Basecamp. Alright, so first up, open up your project and just go ahead over to calendar. If you don't have calendar in here on your project's dashboard, you can go ahead and go to the top right, click on three dots and click on setup tools. In here, just scroll down and you should be able to see calendar or schedule. Okay, make sure that it is turned on. Now go back to your project, and once that's done, just click on schedule. Okay, in here, click on new event at the top left, and then just go ahead and type down the name of the event. But before that, you can go ahead and allow the client to see this too, if you want to. All right, click on it, and then again, type down the name of the event, maybe a sample milestone. Once that's done, identify and choose the date on which you want to create the milestone event. Let's say it would start tomorrow, and then it would end last day of the month. Okay, you have the time option here as well if you want to. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and add in some notes if you want to. Click on it. Let's say by the end of the month, task 1 and 2 should be finished. Like that. And then once done, you can go and select, when I post this, notify everyone who can see this project, or only the people you select, or no one. Make sure that is set, of course, to everyone. Okay. And then once you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and click on post this event. Just wait for it. And as you might have noticed here in the calendar view, you have your milestone set up. Like we have these dots. That means you have tasks for these specific dates. All right. And that is it. That is how you add milestones in Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.